Hey everybody, we're doing a quick video today on how to check your pressure to see if you need a new pressure washer or to get something fixed. We've got a lot of calls lately on people wanting to change nozzle sizes. They're wondering if their pump is bad or if they should upgrade their pressure washer. So I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. Pressure gauge. It's not that expensive and it will save your pump, and it can also indicate when you need to change something. What you should see on a normal pressure gauge is that there's operating pressure and spike pressure. Anytime that needle jumps forward, that's going to be your spike pressure. Your operating pressure is while you have the trigger engaged. And then right now, this is the pressurized line. Whether you have electric or gas, it doesn't matter. This should be maintained when there's pressure. Now I'm going to relieve the pressure. Now we're going to test the Sun Joe. All right, so we just tested our gas machine, and now we're going to test the Sun Joe. We know that the Sun Joe pump is bad because it started kicking out really poor foam, and I measured it last week when we used it. And even with the factory nozzles that the Sun Joe comes with, it wasn't even getting up to 1,000 PSI. So that pump is totally gone. With this particular machine, there's no repairing it. It's buying a new one. So I'm going to show you the difference in the spike pressure and operating pressure. You can see it's bad just by looking at your gauge. Factory nozzle. Get air out of the line. Right now, this should have already spiked because the line is pressurized and it's just not even pressurized enough to read on the pressure gauge. So now I'm going to pull the trigger, so engage the gun, and you're going to see it shoot up slightly. See that spike went up to 1,000 and then it just went right back down? It can't even maintain pressure anymore. Using the pressure gauge is a great way to measure your tools and to measure your equipment. Knowing that the pump is bad on the Sun Joe, there's only one thing left to do. Fitting. 15 millimeter fitting.